welcome to Better Faith e-learning platform. My name is Mr. Benjamin Obi. I'm here this morning to take mathematics of basic 4 and primary 4. And this topic is average. The topic is average. Under this average, we'll be considering the average of a set of numbers. This morning I'll be teaching you how to calculate the average of a given set of numbers. I believe most of you are familiar with the word average. You've heard of the word average. So we thought about average. Average of a set of numbers is often referred to as arithmetic mean or common average. In some questions, you'll be asked to calculate the arithmetic mean. Please, whenever you see arithmetic mean, it's also the same thing as average of a given set of numbers. So, to find the arithmetic mean or average of a given set of numbers, what you are expected to do is that you are expected to add all the numbers and divide the result by the numbers of elements in the set, or simply by the numbers of items in the set. That is, if you are asked to find the average of a given set of numbers, what you are expected to do is that you add all the numbers, you get the total numbers of a given set of numbers divided by, you have to divide the result by the number of elements in the set. So we'll have average of a given set of numbers. The set of numbers can be used, numbers used in scores, ages, weight, height, money, etc. So example 1. Find the average of 80, 73, 68, 70 and 34. We are expected to find what the average of 80, 73, 68, 70 and 34. So what you are expected to do is that you are expected to add, first of all, you add all the numbers together. You add all the numbers, sum of the set of numbers. Sum of the set of numbers. So we'll have 80 plus 73 plus 68 plus 70 plus 34. First thing you do is that you add all the numbers together, and if you add these numbers together, you're expected to get 325. 80 plus 73 plus 68 plus 70 plus 34 will give you what? 325. Then numbers of the set, numbers of items in the set. We have numbers of items in the set. So what are the numbers? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So the numbers, you count the numbers of the set, numbers of items in the set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how we're able to get these 5. So numbers of the items in the set is equal to what? 5. So to get the average now, average is equal to total of the number divided by number of item. Which is the same thing as 325 divided by 5. 325 divided by 5 will give us the sum of 65. So the average of this number is 65. So to get the average of a given set of numbers, remember first of all you add all the numbers, then you count the items in the given set of numbers. So if you should add all these numbers, 80 plus 73 plus 68 68 plus 70 plus 34 will give us the sum of 325. And the numbers of items in the set is equals to 5. So to get the average, you will use 325 to divide 5, giving us 65. So the average of this number is 65. So example 2. This example 2, a pupil scored 70% in mathematics, 74 in English language, and 40% in history, and 60% in computer. What is his average score? A pupil scored 70% in mathematics, 74 in English, 40% in history, and 60% in computer. What is his average? To get the average, you first of all find out the sum of the set of numbers. Sum of sets of numbers, which is equals to 70 plus 74 plus 40 plus 60. 70 plus 74 plus 40 plus 60 will give us the sum of 244. So, we give us the sum of 244. And the number of items is equal to, you count the subject, the scores in each subject. We have how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 subjects. So the average now, average is equals to 244 divided by what? 4. If you use 244 to divide 4, you end up getting 61%. So the average score is 61%. So let me recap again. A pupil scored 70% in mathematics, 74% in English, and 40% in history, and 60% in computer. What is his average score? So to get the average score of this particular person, what you are expected to do, you add all the numbers together. 70 plus 74 plus 40 plus 60 will give us the sum of 244. And numbers of items is equals to 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how we get the number of items. So to get the average, you will use the sum of the set of numbers, which is 244, to divide the number of items. So 244 divided by 4 will give us 61%. So the average score of this particular person is 61%. So we have practice exercise. Practice exercise, you are expected to practice this exercise on your own. If you follow the example on the board, you should be able to solve this practice exercise. So let me read the practice exercise. Question 1. Find the average of A, 214, 118, and 322. B, 102, 305, 264, 97, and 342. So 2. In 4 subjects, Tade got the following marks: 87, 58, 91, and 68. What was his average score? In 4 subjects, Tade got the following marks: 87, 58, 91, and 68. What was his average score? 3. squared, 79 meters squared, and 18 meters squared. So we are expected to find the average of these given sets of numbers. Thank you and God bless you.